Good morning, friends. I hope you all are doing well. Today I'm going to show you how to install the Cisco IOS-XR, then Junos image on the EVNG. If you don't have EVNG, please watch my previous video how to install the EVNG on your Windows machine. To install the images on the EVNG, I made your work very simple. So I have made these images very simple, copy and paste into your EVNG. You can download all these links, you can download all these images from the link given in the description. So I have unzipped those images so that I can copy it directly to the EVNG. So here you need to follow the simple steps. First you need to download these images from the Google Drive, unzip those one, and using the FileZila you need to copy those to the EVNG, and last step will be just to modify your permissions in the EVNG. That's it, and your Cisco XR and Junos image will work perfectly. So let's start it. So I have started my EVNG and IP address is 192.168.5.128. Let's go to the FileZilla 192.168.5.128. Then username is root, password is eve, port number is 72. Yeah, we are able to connect there. And here you can go to this path and just copy all these images here and everything will work perfectly. So I'm copying these all 4 images, 2 Cisco IOS-XR images and 18.2 version for the Junos. So I'm copying those into EVNG. It may take a little bit time. And once you are done with the copying of this file into EVNG, you need to log in into your EVNG setup. So here you can see that I am logging into EVNG. I am doing SSH to log in there. Here it is 192.168.5.128, port number is 22, username is root and password is eve. So once we are done with the image upload into EVNG, we need to modify those permissions. Here we are done with the copying all those files into EVNG. That's it, and now we can log in into EVNG website. So here username is admin and password is eve. Let's create this sample test lab. If you see the Junos, so it should highlight there. Yeah. So first is VCP, and then second one is VFP. We need to collect them both using EM1 interface. Let's add the IOSXR in the topology, which is connecting to the Cisco box. So here I am using 6x2. So here you can see we are able to see two images. One is 613 and second one is 6x2. Yeah. Let's connect both of them. Yeah, so both are ready. So now I'm starting them. So it may take time for Junos device.